Hi everyone, Emmeline here. Welcome back to Fierce and Radiant. Today we're going to be talking about one of Avon's limited edition holiday items. Yes, that's right. Avon's holiday specials are here and they're launching on October 11th. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that every year I treat myself to one of the holiday makeup specials. Well, this year I actually ordered 2 different palettes because I simply could not choose a shade. Which is good for you because you'll get to see both shade options of the fmgt Eye Moment palette. These are each 10 shade eyeshadow palettes that come in a mixture of different finishes. So let's jump right in and take a look. Alright, so this first one is a pink shade. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very like sleek. Sometimes their packaging is really whimsical on the holiday lines. This one's nice and like professional looking, less whimsy. And then the pink palette is called, let me check. It's called Beginning. As you can see, there's a lot of like light pinks, a few neutrals to balance it out, and then like a silver glitter. So pretty, right? Oh my goodness. And then there's a neutral palette. This one is called New Classic. Again, it's like a super plain. This packaging's a little darker than the other one. But very like sleek looking. And then here's the neutral. Once again, this one's called New Classic. Get it centered. Yeah, so you can see like the different finishes in both of these. There's some mattes. There's some like light shimmers, and then there's some like full-on glitters. And then I think some are advertised as satin as well. And I don't know if you guys can see there, it looks like each one has a name. Although they're like backwards because it's on the mirror like that. But they did name all the different shades. Alright, so let's go ahead and swatch Beginning first. Okay, so I'm gonna do this with Q-tips. It does come with a brush. It's a dual-ended brush. But obviously if you use more than 2 shades, you're gonna have to supplement that. Okay, so this one, let me see if I can read these backwards, or maybe if I peel it, it'll be easier to see what the shade names are. So now they're, in order like that. So this one here is called Pure. So this one's gonna be an excellent highlighter shade. Just like a soft, like almost white pink. Okay, this next one is called Cheek. So this one's very similar. It's a little bit darker and more pigmented, as you can see. Okay, the next one is called Lavender. I'm not sure why, because it's not lavender. All right, so this one again is very subtle. It's got like a slight shimmer to it. Okay, then we have Cookie. That's the darker brown one here. Okay, this one is called Note. It's a nice like cocoa brown. Okay, I'm gonna skip ahead to this darkest brown one before I get to the glitter ones. This is called Jazz. And I don't know why they'd name the brown one that, but okay. Alright, so this one's pretty aptly named. It's called Diamond. It's hard to get it with the Q-tip. Brush would definitely be easier. Oh my god. It's so cute though. Okay, I'll have to show a close-up at the end for sure. Alright, then we have SE. These names are kind of weird, not gonna lie. They're not very cohesive. Oh my god, this is so cute. Once again, I'll get a better angle after I put them on. This one is called Moon Silver. That is so cute. That is so cute. All right, then we have Smile. This one has like a little bit of gold, like yellow in it. Oh wow, that is so cute. It's like pink and gold. All right, so let's get a close-up. All right, moving on to New Classic. Okay, let's see what these shade names are. Let me read them all at once for this one. That would probably be easier. Okay, interesting. So the first shade here, I'm not sure how to pronounce this really. It's E-U-N, so I don't know if it's like Un or Yoon. All right, then the next one is called Butter. That one kind of makes sense. It's a very like buttery, sort of neutral yellow beige. Okay, and then we have Zanga. It's spelled with 2 Z's. I don't know what the story behind these shade names are, or like what language that is. All right, so then we have Cocoa. That's this one right here. It's a nice like shimmer, beige brown. All right, let's see. Then we have Cafe. This one right here is Cafe. Okay, then we have Bada. It's spelled with like 4 A's. I'm not sure what that's from. Again, I don't know where these names are coming from. But it's this one right here. Oh, sorry, wait. Oh, it's this one. And then we have Mellow. Okay, and then the one in the middle is Petal. And then we have Ash and Smoke. Nice highlight shade. Okay. I'm excited for this one. It's going to be a great highlight shade for my skin tone. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh, I'm gonna love that one. I'm like super into shimmer lately. I don't know if my inner child's coming out because of the Barbie movie that came out recently. That's definitely my inspiration for getting that pink palette. I'm just like, I need more pink in my life. But I'm so into the shimmers. This one really blends in with my skin. Alright, so this super shimmery one. So on glitter. Oh my god. That is so cute. It kind of has a bit of holographic to it. I mean, you'll see when I get the better angle. But it has like a little bit of pink and sort of like greenish blue. You know, depending on how the light's hitting it. This one has a slight shimmer. It's like mostly satin, I think, but with like tiny little things of shimmer. All right, so this one is another glitter. So this one is interesting. It has it has like holographic qualities as well in purple and green. Oh my god, that is so cute. All right, so this one here. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick look on each eye. So let's start with the pink one, beginning. I can get that straight. Okay, so let me try out these brushes too. I'm very intrigued to see. Oh, these aren't too bad. I mean, they're not as good as the full-size brushes we carry, but they're pretty soft. Okay, so I'm gonna do the light one. What was that called again? It was called Pure. So the mirror, looks kind of frosted. Did I get all? Sometimes they have a little sticker, but I already took the sticker off. That's the one with the shade names. So I don't know about this mirror. It's hard to see. I think I put it on too heavy. I need my other mirror. Oh wow. Yeah, okay. I put it on too heavy. But we're gonna work with it. So on the inner corner, I want to do this middle pink one. It's called Lavender. Okay, I'll use the small side, the brush they gave. I kind of like the shape of this brush, not gonna lie. Oh wow. Huh. Gosh, so for the rest, I'm really torn because there's so many of these that could be like the main event. I'm gonna layer this one here, which is called Cheek, and then Diamond. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. Before I do Diamond, I actually want to get this other one, SE. It's this one right here. That was a mistake. All right. Yeah, I should have planned my look better. I was just throwing ideas out there, but it needs one of the browns in the corner for sure. I'll put Jazz in the corner. Okay. It's a start. It needs some tempering. Let's go for Diamond. I love how the glitter just presses on. This seems a really good quality, actually. I did get some in my eyelash. I'm gonna blame that on me because I'm pretty sure I just was a little too close. I'm not sure about my design, but I really do like the quality of the shades. Like, I think this is gonna be so cute and useful. Especially those glitters, because Avon has like a lot of shimmers in their regular lines, but not as many like full-blown glitter shades. All right, so let's move on to New Beginnings. All right, so I want to use Butter as my highlight. It's this one. god, I love this. It's gonna be so versatile. I'm gonna do a little bit of a softer edge. I'm gonna do this one. What's it called? It's called Cafe in the corner crease. Just like a little darker than the highlight. So for the lid, I'm gonna use the brush they put in the palette. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this one here, which is called Ash, and then I'm gonna layer it with, what's this one called? Petal. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. Wow. That's a gorgeous, like, wintry brown. Oh, I did it again. I got it way too close to my eyelash. So be careful of that. Pretty sure it's user error, but could happen to you as well. So cute. Alright, now I'm just gonna get the soft shimmer in the inside the inner corner. I did get some of the glitter down below. That didn't happen on the other eye. I don't know what I did differently. Oh my god. This is so cute. It's a little bit of a higher impact. I wish I had done it like somewhere else. But it doesn't look too bad in the inner corner. Maybe not against the other glitter though, because they're just competing for attention at that point. But we can at least see what the shades look like. Let me get a better angle of both. Alright, so there you have it. Once again, this is the fmgt Eye Moment palette. And again, this is limited edition for the holiday season. So it might go quickly. I definitely get your hands on it if you like what you see. And what I like about these two, they can be used year round. You know, they didn't go too hard into the whimsy. They really went hard on the glam with those glitter shades. So you have someone in your life who loves glam makeup. This is definitely going to be a good gift choice for that person. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you want more info on the entire holiday makeup collection, I am going to give more info on the blog very soon. And I'll see you in the next video.